Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look also on Bitcoin market today, because market has completed the trading setup that we have discussed a few days ago when we talked about the pullback. So once market has collapsed here below these lows and total erased the hand shoulders pattern that we have suggested, we said that we expect reaching with the 33 area approximately, because this is major ABCD pattern. At the same time, market can't just proceed lower immediately, because as you can see, it was barrier of the, let's call it as a previous lows exist, but also is mostly the weekly oversold, strong oversold level. So you can see market has dropped below it, then returned back up. Now it shows the reasonable pullback, and it's retesting the previous lows. So currently market stands in the point where potentially the downward action could be reestablished, as we have suggested. So take a look what we have on a daily. On a daily chart, market stands at the strong confidence resistance level, which is also retesting the previous bottom. This pullback here has happened. Also, as you will see, we have here the grabber, but this market currently stands above it. Well, if today will drop below it, the grabber will be valid, but currently price stands above it. So anyway, even without the grabber, market stands in the strong resistance area. It is definitely not the point where we would like to go long. If you're considering taking the long position on the Bitcoin market, you anyway have to wait for a pullback here. Potentially, this is an area for taking the short position with an hour continuation. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our regardless triple to sell is done. Market stands in the 618 level, which creates the agreement on the daily. As you can see, this harmonic ABCD pattern here, and market starts to trying to climb a bit higher, just because of the setup that we have on the hourly chart. So take a look. We have the bottom line in progress with the 1618 extension approximately 69 area. So the market trying to reach it. So maybe it will climb slightly higher, but not too much. But finalizing of this upward action is based on this butterfly pattern. So if we will trying to measure the precise ABCD target, so let's try to do this where it will stand. Well, market currently stands precisely, and you can see at the ABCD point. So all this stuff tells that here it will be relatively safe, probably attempt to go short. Besides, you can see this overall price action is rather choppy. Well, and at least if even will be somehow will be wrong with this downward continuation, but at least some response of this level should follow based on overall this contraction. So maybe at least the 30% pullback has to happen, so this will be relatively safe, trying to go short and then move stops to the break-even and just see what will happen next. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market currently. If you would like to go long instead, well, in this case you particularly should wait for this bounce that we're talking about, or some retracement. But we think that the overall situation still stands bearish in the market, and that could become the point where market really could continue downward action. Maybe not as fast as it was previously, maybe it will be not as a bit slower, but in general, well, taking into consideration the speed of this dropping, especially on the weekly chart, with just pure acceleration on the CD leg, chance on reaching OP is really significant. Maybe even here we could get kind of the butterfly pattern which finalized the 33% action on the daily chart. For example, it could be something of that sort. So some butterfly, it's 127 will be precisely, well, here is 32 where I have the target 33. So I'm not exclude this setup, this could be formed.